Hi, I'm Sergey and now I'm gonna show you how to download BlueWallet application on your phone. So let me swipe down and type in here App Store. Tap on App Store application at the top left corner. And after that, tap on search icon at the bottom right corner. And after that, tap on Field at the very top and type in here BlueWallet. Tap on search icon. And now scroll down until you find BlueWallet Bitcoin Wallet. Just tap on Get button right here and confirmation you install with Face ID. If you have that, wait a couple of seconds and after that click on Open button. So as you can see here, you can add now new wallet and see your transactions. So that's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about BlueWallet. See you next time.